artists. Welcome to our Diwali special drawing series in Learning Fun Zone. In today's video, we are diving into Scratch pen tool and we will learn how to create beautiful basic shapes that can help us design our very own digital Rangoli. From drawing circles to squares, we will explore the basics and start drawing a festive foundation for our Diwali masterpiece. So, let's get coding and make our screen come alive with colors and creativity. So, are you ready to create your own designs using coding? So, let's dive into Scratch. So this is the Scratch mit.edu website. Now we will go and create a new project. Okay, so this is our default project that has been loaded. So to draw anything in Scratch, we need a special tool called the pen extension. To add it, just click in the extensions button at the bottom left corner and choose the pen extension. So once you open this, you will find different extensions and you can click on the pen extension. So once you do that, we will have new blocks like pen down, pen up, set color and erase all. This will help us to draw. Now let us start with something very simple. A square. We can draw a square by moving our sprite forward and turning it. Let me show you the code. We are going to use a repeat block because a square has 4 sides. So, if you want, you can keep this sprite, or if you want, you can change the sprite as well. So, you can take an arrow as well, or you can take a pencil if you want. So right now I will choose a star and let me delete the sprite. You can choose whichever sprite that you like. Okay, so let's go to events as usual. So we have a green flag. So what is the green flag? So whenever we click on the green flag, the program will start executing. So most of the times we will be using when green flag is clicked in the starting of the project. Now let us go to the pen blocks. We can choose an erase all option. So whenever we start the project, it will erase whatever is written before. Then let us add a pen down. So what is pen down? Pen down means it will start writing using our pen. So we will be using the pen down option. So, and let us now, for drawing a square, what we need to do is we have to have 4 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and it will be moving 90 degrees every time, and it will be moving 4 times. So for moving 4 times, we do not need to write it 4 times. We can use loops. What are loops? In the control blocks, you will find this loops, and here we need a repeat loop. So it will repeat whatever is written inside this that many times. So we want it to move 4 times. So I am using 4. Now go to motion, add the move block and make it, let us say 100 steps. Okay. And we want to turn as well, so we will add it as turn 90 degrees. Okay, and after everything is done, we will use a pen up block. So what is pen up? So once we finish our drawing, we will be using pen up, so it will stop writing. So let's see how it is working. Amazing, right? It is drawing a square. So for now, you have drawn it very quickly. So if you want to see it do very slowly, you can add a wait block. So wait block is situated in the control blocks at the first. So add it inside the drawing repeat block, and let us add, let us say 0.3 seconds. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, can make it 0.5 seconds as well if you want to go slower. Okay, so it is drawing. Amazing, right? So you have drawn your own square. So you can write the name of the project and go to File, Save Now. So it will get saved, and if you want to share it, you can share it. So this is the code for drawing a square. Amazing, right? We just moved the sprite 100 times, turned 90 degrees and repeated 4 times. That will make a square. Easy, right? Now it's your turn to try it. And click the green flag and watch your sprites draw a perfect square. Next up, we will draw a triangle. Now this time, we will use 3 sides. So we can change the repeat block to 3 and the sprite will turn 120 degrees each time. Okay, so let me start a new game. And this time let us choose another sprite. Let's take an arrow and let me delete this one. Okay, so this is the sprite. And what do I do? The first is the green flag. Perfect. And let me use the erase all. So it is a good practice to erase everything to make it clear before we draw. Then pen down. Perfect. Then we will use the repeat blocks. So this time we are drawing a triangle. So let us add it 3 times. And then we will move it and turn it. So let us add a move 100 steps and let us turn it for 120 degrees. Okay, and what is the last one? Pen up. So once we finish drawing, we will be using pen up. Now let's just try to run this. So we can add a weight of 0.5. So we are seeing the triangle is going downwards, right? If we want to make it go upwards, we can change the direction, right? So let us try to change the turn anti-clockwise. And let me delete this and make it 120. And let's try now. Amazing, right? It is drawing an equilateral triangle. Now, if you want to make this line a bit more thicker, what can you do? Try to explore these blocks. You will see change pen size by. Okay, so let us change the pen size and make it 3. Okay, so let's run this. So you have drawn a perfect triangle. So let me save this. Triangle. Go to File, Save Now, and you can share. So I will share the links of these projects in the description of this video. So you can refer to all the projects and try this. So triangles are just as simple as squares, but we are just using 120 degrees because 3 turns of 120 degrees will make a full circle. Okay, so you can try it now. Now let's make things a bit more exciting with a circle. To draw a circle, we will go and create a new file now. To draw a circle, we will use a loop and move tiny steps while turning a little bit. So watch this now. Let us go to a sprite and let us choose some other sprite, whichever you like. Okay, let us choose this orange. Let me delete this. Let us draw Then green flag is clicked. Yes, all other steps are same. Erase all, pen down and go to the control, repeat. Now this time we want to move it 360 degrees by 1 degree. So how many times we have to repeat? We have to repeat 360 degrees, that is 360 times. Now let us go to the motion and add move one step. Okay, so here we will move one step and we will be turning 1 degree. Okay, and after that we will go again to pen and we will use penner. Now let's try. Wow, that is amazing, right? Now if you want this color of the circle to be orange color, what do? We will go here, set pen color to and change it to whichever color you like. So you have to adjust the color and the saturation and just play with it. You will get to know, change the brightness. And here you can see the color that you like. Okay, you can select whichever color that you want it to be. Now let's run this. So it is moving by 1 degree and repeating 360 times to draw a circle. Amazing, right? So just by moving one step we are drawing a smooth circle. Isn't it amazing? So do try this same way. Just save this as circle project and keep a copy, share. Awesome. Now, are you ready for a challenge? Let us try to draw a star. Just like the shapes we have already drawn, we need to turn 144 degrees each time to make these cool star points. So let's get started. I will click on create. When I'm clicking on the new project, it really excites me, like what new we can create. Okay, so let's create. I will take a star. Let us take this one. Let me make it little smaller, let's say 30. Let us delete the default. Now go to the events, green flag. By now you might be understanding. Oh, we need to add the pen. Erase all, pen down and go to the repeat. Now we have to repeat it 5 times, right? Because we are drawing a star. So add a repeat block, add a move block and make it 100 steps, and then you have to turn. So for turning we have to turn it for 144 degrees and then go to pen and make it as a pen up. Okay, so this is the code for drawing a star, and we will add a weight as well because we want to see slowly. Make it maybe 0.5 as well. Okay, and if you want to draw a bit thicker, you can set the pen size to, let's say, 3. And color, if you want to change, you can change the color to whatever you like. Pink color. Let's see. Wow, awesome, isn't it? Amazing. So how many of you are able to do it? I think the stars are my favorite, right? Just you repeat the same thing 5 times, turn 144 degrees and you have got yourself a perfect star. Let's make this shape really shine. Amazing. Now that we know how to draw different shapes, let's try to make our drawings more colorful. You can change the pen's color size by using these blocks. Okay, so you can try to change the pen color. You can try to change different sides colors. So let me try to show you a variation. So this is a change pen color by 10. Okay, so let us try and add this over here inside the repeat block. So let's see the magic. So you can see every time it is drawing the side, it will change the color by 10. So try to change different numbers here and you will see the color differences. Beautiful, isn't it? Amazing. And now we have something special for Navratri. We can draw different shapes and try to create own festive Rangoli. Just try to repeat the patterns and change the colors to make it look beautiful. So I will show you one project created. So I will show you one project created by my student. Let us save this and share this. Let us go to the now as we have seen different shapes, we will try to draw a beautiful Rangoli. So let us take a different sprite now. So which is the sprite that you want? Okay, let's take this magic wand and delete the default sprite. Okay, so let's go to events, add the green flag, go to pen and then pen down and erase all before that. Now I will add a repeat block. So let us go and add repeat block, and I am doing it for 36 times because I want to draw a different structure. And let me go to the pen, change the pen color by 10, and let us go to motion, add the move steps. So let us make it as 100 steps and let us turn this one. Let us take the turn inside the block as 150 degrees and let us add a weight. Now make it as 0.5 seconds. Now you can see the magic. What happens? Wow, amazing, right? It is drawing beautiful Rangoli. If you want, you can make a different style. You can change the pen size by 3. Let's try to run this now. Wow, this is beautiful. It's drawing. Each time it is taking different colors. Amazing, right? Wow. Now we can also try one thing. We can try to change the degree. So if you want, you can change it to 130 and let's see what is the difference. Okay, so you will get a slightly different piece, the different colors. Amazing, right? Okay, I like this one. So try to do the little changes and see what you get. So make it 145. Try to run this. So at 150 and 145, you can see it is slightly changing and the star shape is twisting little bit. Wow, amazing. So if you try with 200, what does it do? So coding is just about trying different variations and different variables, so you'll get different magical things as output. Awesome, isn't it awesome? So great. So try to draw different shapes and really enjoy this. You can look at different shapes, designs that we can create using Scratch. You can now draw anything that you can imagine, right? From squares to stars and beautiful rangolis for Navratri and all the festivals. Keep experimenting and let your creativity shine. Wow! Awesome job everyone! You have mastered the basics of the pen tool to create different shapes. We are ready to take things to the next level with some special Diwali designs. Next up, we will be creating spirals and more intricate patterns to make our Rangoli truly dazzling. Don't forget to subscribe and join us in part 2. Let's keep Diwali creativity going. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.